Welcome to Deepa's Knits and Knots. Let's crochet this cute and easy flower today. Before we get into today's tutorial, if you enjoy beginner-friendly crochet videos and step-by-step tutorials like this, you can also explore our crochet kits on Amazon. Our kits include all the materials required to create a cute crochet project, including yarn, crochet hook, needle, stitch markers, glue, safety eyes, a reusable storage box, and a step-by-step video tutorial card. Our 2-in-1 animal pouch kits are just 299 Indian rupees. Our cat paw pouch kits are just 249 Indian rupees. Our flower pouch kits are just 241 Indian rupees. Our evil eye kits are just 149 Indian rupees. And our 12-color 6-ply yarn kit is just 275 Indian rupees. These gorgeous 3-in-1 tulip coasters are just 249 rupees. This cute tulip scrunchie kit is just 190 Indian rupees. Shop links are given in the description. Now let's get into the tutorial. I used light pink 6-ply yarn, along with a 3.5mm crochet hook and keychain ring and chain to make this flower. You can also use colors to your liking. For round 1, make a magic circle. Chain 4. Then make a treble crochet into the circle. Yarn over the hook 2 times, insert the hook into the stitch, and pull through the first 2 loops. Pull through the next 2 loops. Finally, pull through the last 2 loops. And that completes a treble crochet. Make 2 more treble crochets into the circle. Again, chain 4. And make a single crochet into the magic circle. Now repeat the same pattern, chain 4. 3 treble crochets into the circle. Chain 4. And a single crochet into the circle. Repeat this pattern 3 more times. At the end, you'll have 5 flower petals in total. After completion, tighten the circle. Now chain 1. Cut the yarn, and pull it through. At the back of the flower, tie the beginning and ending yarn tails together and trim the excess yarn. You can make any color flower you like, following the same pattern. Now attach the flower to a keychain. And that's it. Your cute crochet flower keychain is ready. You can also turn this cute flower into a handbag charm, tote bag accessory, pouch charm, hair clip, bookmark, or even use it for many more crochet projects. Don't forget to explore our kits on Amazon. Shop links are in the description. Support our channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing for more crochet tutorials.